Hello guys, my name is Amy Bocos and I'm with Plant Fashion TV. Today in Plant Fashion, we're going to be going over Rev Air, which is a revolutionary new hair dryer that dries your hair using reverse air technology. The benefits of Rev Air is that it eliminates heat damage as well as cuts your hair straightening process by up to 3/4 of the usual time, since blow drying is normally the part that takes the longest. Before I started the process, I went ahead and I went into their website and I saw that they have video tutorials for the 4 different types of hair that they are audienced for. I have type 3, which is curly, so it is recommended for me to have the highest heat and around 6 pressure. It is recommended for me to have clean and wet hair in order to start the process. So I'm gonna go wash it and see if it works for my hair. I'll be back. So to start the process, here is my wet, clean hair. So we're gonna start it up and see how it goes. As you can see, Rev Air does work for me. My hair is dry and straight, which is exactly what I expect from a hair dryer. In my opinion, if you're the type of person that straightens their hair very often, blow drying does take a lot of time as well as does have some heat damage to it. So with Rev Air, it does save not only time, but also eliminates the heat damage that you develop over time by blow drying your hair. All in all, Rev Air is Plant Fashion approved. My name is Amy and thank you so much for watching.